So I'm prepping for winter, and what I do to keep the snow out of the window wells and or rain nowadays, it seems like in the winter time, just to keep things dry, you know, water away from the house. The window wells sometimes can be an issue, so I just took standard 1x4s, nailed them to a frame that basically fit the width of the box, and also put in some clear corrugated so that it's not knocking the sunlight out of the basement bedroom, and throwing a couple screws. All that's for is so that that doesn't kick out on me. And then take a couple screws here. Now I just went and found some scrap. This is plastic corrugated board, but you could use anything. I just found some scraps, and what I do is just take a couple of screws and screw the ends on. So if we're having a huge, you know, like a lot of snow and blowing snow, keep some of the snow and stuff out of there. Nothing fancy. It's I do this every year, just before winter. It's about -2 yesterday, and it's supposed to go like -6. So anyways, that's pretty much it. That way keeps 90% of the rain and everything out of the window wells, and keeps things dry. And I will actually, on all my gutter downspouts now, I used to never do this, but again, because we're getting rain in the wintertime, I put this white 4-inch pipe. I actually put those on all my downspouts, so that way it can do whatever it wants, and rain wise or moisture wise in the winter, keep the water away from the house. And that's only about half hour worth of work, just quickly doing the rest of them. I've got 4 of them, and then we'll be ready for winter. So they're clear, so keeps 90% of the rain and snow out, and the window wells dry. So